Welcome to Compai's Expat Channel. I'm Compai. I am Susu's voice of reason. Guys, back in Casa De Compai, I want to bring everybody up to speed on what is going on. A lot has been accomplished in a relatively short amount of time. So let's start over here. What do we got over here? Well, guys, basically what have I done here? Well, grill's gonna go here. Barbecue area, workstation. We have the sink, the prep work. You got a new outside shower right there. Hopefully Monday the carpenters will be here to install the doors. Let's go into the pool and let's talk about the pool a little bit. What I think is going to be the game changer is in the pool is this table. We changed things up a little bit. That pushed us a little behind schedule, but well worth it. Is what we did. We added that platform right here. Okay, what that platform does, it enables people to stand up on the platform, and guess what? Now we're at pool height. And here we got the seating. The stairs are all in, and you can see it's just a nice tread riser height looking up into the bar, so you'll be able to see both TVs from the pool is the plan. So we're ready for Diamond Break. The only thing that's holding us up is the waterfall. So what we got in the pool here, this is the cavity right here. This is where the check valve is. This is where the check valve is. This is where we're gonna actually pull water for the waterfall from the pool. And the reason we're doing that and not using the actual pool pump is, hey, I have a solar pool pump. So we won't be able to run the pump at night. This way, it's on an independent pump, the waterfall, and basically we can run it day or night whenever we want. And also, we have a nice jacuzzi pump, 1 horsepower, so it'll push a lot of water, be able to do the job good. So actually, that's the pump right there. Big pump, worth every penny. So we got all the Coralina is installed. Paneling is in. Lighting's in. We got the paneling outlets. My guys today should be showing up to put in 2 surveillance cameras, run Cat 5 cable for another exterior Wi-Fi, Cat 5 for both TVs. All my Cat 5, all my TVs are run Cat 5. Hey amigo, por favor, encender la luz. Para, sí, 1, 2. There we go. Gracias. And guys, here you can see all the lighting. That tray ceiling is going to have colored lighting that's going to have lights going up and down, and we're also going to have the same kind of lighting both sides of the waterfall and underneath the bar as well. Back here we're just putting cabinets in. We're shelving, hold merchandise, hold cigars. Hopefully by the end of the month the 2 humidors will be installed. They're being made as we speak. TVs are on site. Guys, we are really close to getting done. Super. One of the things that I really don't talk about a lot that's been installed for over a year is the cigar lounge. I call this the cigar lounge. It's pretty much just a raised platform. This is above the bar. This is what provides the bar with a roof. So you come up here, guys, you hang out. I smoke my cigars up here all the time. You got some hanging chairs, and a lot of people are wondering, what is that chin-up bar for? Well, it's not a chin-up bar. When the dust settles from all the construction, I'm gonna have more hanging chairs there as well. But guys, from here, you can really get a good idea on just how the new pool area is gonna look. And it's gonna, with the Diamond Break coming in, it is gonna be fantastic. So guys, let me talk a little bit of why I'm doing a bar and spending the amount of money I'm spending on a bar, because anybody with a little bit of business knowledge will be the first ones to tell you John is not going to make his money off of Santa Libres or Presidentes. So why am I doing it, guys? Well, the thing is, with the amount of construction that's gone on for the last 5 years, rentals, there's just too many of them in Sosua. There's much more competition, and the competition in the last 5 years really stepped up the game and really changed the quality of rentals in Sosua. So the first thing I did in 2024 was redo all the insides. So in 2025, now I'm redoing the outside. And what the goal is to increase occupancy rate. That's the whole goal. I make my money on heads on beds. So building a bar makes Casa De Compai more marketable. I'm also going to give everybody who checks in, guys, you have a choice: free drink or free cigar at the bar. Let's go down to the bar, enjoy your free cigar, enjoy your free drink. So it just makes Casa De Compai just more marketable. It makes it more of a resort, and it's an exclusivity that Sosua doesn't have. And the other thing that I'm doing is the expats that I know personally who have a Dominican girlfriend or a Haitian girlfriend who don't want to go downtown because their girlfriend doesn't want to be associated with that, then you can come here. You can hang out. Your girlfriend can use the pool as long as you're sitting at the bar drinking. So win-win. And I'm going to bring in good whiskeys to go with the cigar line. Just make things a little more exclusive. Just make things more top shelf, because that's what the market is going for in Sosua. As the market actually shrinks, the people that are coming, they want a bit better bang for their buck. And you're not going to get that just renting one Airbnb in a condo complex. That's what makes my business more competitive than everybody else. I own the whole thing. I want to spend over 25 grand to put a bar in, cigar lounge, redo the pool, new pool chairs. I can do that because I own the whole property. That gives me an edge in the marketplace. And that offends a lot of people when I say that, because, oh, you guys are telling me I'm bitter, I'm salty and all this other stuff. I don't know what that really means, but I know it's not positive. Guys, this is the reason I call myself Sosua's Voice of Reason, because I bring to the table a lot more than one guy going, yeah, I got 3 Airbnbs, I bought 2 condos. There's a lot more that goes into doing business down here than just having an Airbnb. And this bar, it should be done by Wednesday, Thursday. Saturday is next Saturday, which would be, I think we're talking the 15th or 16th. Well, today's July 5th, so we're talking the 12th. The 12th or 13th, we should be having water in the pool. That's the goal. What's holding us up is the waterfall, because we had a different kind of pump, and my plumber's like, you screwed up, man. You got the wrong pump, so you need a different kind of pump. So I said, go get a jacuzzi pump. So that set us back a day or two. But you know what? At the end, it's not about getting it done on a specific date as much as it's getting it done right. So my quality, my vision. And guys, if you really want a good place to stay, Casa De Compai is it. I'm offering things no other condo complex can do. So that's it, guys. Remember, keep private personal and personal private. Subscribe, hit the like button, and follow my channel for real information, because I'm not trying to sell you anything. There's no commission made here. All I want you to do is rent at Casa De Compai. I'm extremely straightforward on what my channel is about. Guys, peace out. There's a lot of places to rent in Sosua. If you're looking for peaceful, affordable, and tranquil, look at Casa De Compai, Sosua's hidden gem. When you're ready to reserve at Casa De Compai, my contact information is in the description down below.